LEED is it's an acronym, first of all. It stands for Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design. And LEED is a green building rating system, and it's the predominant green building rating system in Canada. And what LEED does is essentially provide a checklist of incremental improvements that you can make in the building's environmental footprint. So what we're doing at the Grainery is looking at a number of these little check boxes on the checklist to improve the environmental impact. So the Grainery has done quite a few things along a number of different measures. What LEED looks at is impacts on the building's site, its water use, its energy use, the materials that it uses, and what the indoor environment is like. And it makes some strides in all of those cases in the midst of going through the certification process. So the certification is actually a third-party certification, which is done after the building is finished. I've been a sustainable design consultant and a LEED consultant in Nova Scotia for 10 years. And in those 10 years, our company has looked at about 70 LEED projects that are either certified or in the process of certification. And the Grainery is the first multi-unit residential building that we've done. That makes it exciting for that aspect. Another exciting aspect is that it's a commercial and private venture, as opposed to a lot of projects. Majority of projects are government initiatives where it's actually mandated. So to have the private sector move forward on green initiatives is very exciting to see. An interesting aspect of what the Grainery is doing is they're monitoring data. So individual tenants will know how much energy they're using and how much water they're using. And in fact, lets them establish that and almost set goals for themselves. It also incorporates occupancy sensors so that within each apartment there's a sensor that will know whether people are there or not. And if people go away for a few days, for instance, it allows the system automatically turn down the temperature and save energy for the whole building. I think that anytime you have a first in an area, in a location, it's going to start to set a precedent. It will be interesting to see what precedent the Grainery sets. But I think it is going to indicate that there is a demand for more sustainable lifestyles and that people will find interesting and desirable aspects of it that will make it more attractive. As for how it's going to impact the industry, I guess it remains to be seen. But again, just being the first is going to certainly establish that precedent and see what sort of market demand there is for it.